Today I'm going to show you how to generate perfect images and videos using AI, with no text errors, no anatomy mistakes, and consistent face identity in every single shot. And at the end of the video, I'll show the final video results, so stay till the end, because these results might literally blow your mind. Finally, AI images that don't break. No more wrong fingers, no more broken text, no more creepy faces. Google plus Higgsfield just launched Nano Banana Pro, and it creates 4K professional images with perfect text, perfect faces, and perfect logic. And today, I'm testing it live. Welcome back, creators. I work with AI design tools every day, and honestly, we all know the pain of weird eyes, wrong spelling on packaging, or broken UI text. So today, we're testing the brand new Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield, powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro image model. Let's see if it's really a game changer. Nano Banana Pro is a new pro-grade image engine focused on control, clarity, and structure. What's unique? It automatically fixes anatomy errors, text mistakes, composition flaws, and facial inconsistencies before the image reaches your screen. And yes, everything here is possible in up to 4K resolution. It's trained on massive diverse data, so it nails celebrities, landmarks, real city streets in just one try, meaning fewer retries and more productivity. Now let's generate our first image. I'll show a professional prompt, and we'll see if it follows instructions accurately. Go to Higgsfield and click Unlimited 4K Nano Banana Pro. Now I write the simple and professional prompt for creating model image. You can choose a different option, like 4K, and explore another option. Now click on Generate. And wait some time, and now see, this image quality is amazing, and the details are mind-blowing. Now test with the same model with a different situation. Just I add on the prompt, drag the image, and write prompt. Same character, casual hoodie, rainy neon street, dramatic expression, 4K, now click Generate. Wait for some time. Wow, look at this face consistency, maintain, and detail. Now I want to CRT8 this character with another situation. Just drag the image to upload and write same character, leather jacket, futuristic metro, bold confident pose, cinematic lighting, 4K, and click Unlimited to generate the image. Wait some time, your image will be ready. Notice the clean facial structure, and more important, character consistency with strong expression. This is mind-blowing. You can generate image to a video also. Just click Video OK for testing in the prompt area. I am not writing anything. Tap on Generate. Wait some time and look at this video result. I can't believe it's generated without any prompt. That's mind-blowing. Now I want to check another thing, that's packaging design. I write some simple word about orange juice packaging. And tap to Unlimited for creating image. Now look at this image, the text actually reads correctly. For packaging, adds UI, this is a big deal. Now I have another problem with this image, this not showing the full bottle image. For doing this, I just drag the image and write do not cut the bottle. Show complete bottle from top to bottom. And click Unlimited to create image and wait some time. Look at the result, awesome. See this packaging design image result, this type of image you create from your normal product image. If you don't how you CRT8, then comment below of the video next time I covered the topic or make specific video about this topic. For test the tool, I want to create another different image, this image about number, diagrams, labels, logic, everything I covered. I write the prompt and click Unlimited for creating image. Just wait some time and look at this image. This is where Nano Banana Pro stands out. It understands numbers, diagrams, labels, logic, because it used Gemini 3's reasoning. Other eyes just guess. In short, here's what's new in Nano Banana Pro. True 4K images plus upscale. Accurate text for ads, packaging, UI, visual reasoning, equations, counts, diagrams, strong identity control and face consistency, data-aware infographics, Best prompt following I've tested so far, and you generate another style of image like CGI game images, Microsoft Paint image like this kinda joysticker, and also you can try another sticker type images. This is perfect for designers, ad creators, brand plus packaging artists, thumbnail designers, educators, UI, UX teams, and agencies who need predictable, professional output in less time. Here's the best part. If you subscribe before Monday, November 24th, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 whole year with the lowest prices in the market right now. So, if you're tired of broken text, weird fingers, and inconsistent faces, then Nano Banana Pro is absolutely worth trying. I've added the link in the description. Check it out and claim the unlimited offer before it expires. I'll be sharing more AI design tools, tutorials and ad creation tricks, so make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment which prompt you want me to test next.